Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Buongiorno.
We just landed in Dallas, Texas, D-Town, DFW,
That's
and
right.
we came from LA, the City of Angels.
But we call it the City of Devils.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Smoke and mirrors.
That's right.
But Dr. Ross and I just landed, and we're going to make it short and sweet for you guys today, getting straight into our She's Hot winner for this week, because we know you guys have been waiting for it.
You guys have been fiending and waiting. This one is actually a self-promoter of herself. She said she puts her money where her mouth is, and she's creating her own leggings, and she is thicker than a Coca-Cola bottle.
Or, to cut you off, Dr. Ross, she is a model, and a model for leggings amongst many other things. But Dr. Ross, she is a 10 out of 10. And Bo Derek, if you're still out there and seeing this video, she is a 10. You'll need to watch out, Bo Derek. But her name is Miss Angela Babis.
Congratulations, Miss Angela, for your win on the She's Hot contest.
That's right, congratulations. But her name, she is a social media and reality personality who was cast on the 15th season of Oxygen's hit reality series, Bad Girls Club.
Wow.
She would later earn a spot on MTV's X on the Beach in 2018, and Dr. Ross, she has got it going on.
Obviously, she really does. She's putting her game, like we just said earlier, she's putting her mouth where her money is and her money where her mouth is. And that's exactly what we like to see.
That's right, Dr. Ross. She is a 10 out of 10. And not to cut off the script, but Miss Angela, I'd love to take you out on a date, lunch, brunch, or dinner, wherever you're located at.
That's right.
That's for you. And Kylie Jenner, that's for you too. The one and only true love.
Congratulations once again for your win on the She's Hot contest.
Congratulations. But we're going to get into our first top topic for today with Genie Mai. Now, this is going to be a short topic, but Genie Mai posted a photo of her half naked, and she was also
Bottom
talking
out
about...
and everything.
That's right. She was also talking about her pregnancy. What are your thoughts on this, Dr. Ross?
I think Genie Mai is scandalous, but for young Jeezy and for Genie Mai, hopefully you have a healthy baby coming out. But let's get into our next hot topic because we're keeping that one short because it's not really much to say on that.
But we're going to go into the topic with Wendy Williams. Now,
right.
Miss Williams, we know we've been joking a lot of things here on Rose and Gold. We've been saying a lot of things.
Since the beginning of our channel.
But Miss Williams, it's all for love, you know.
It's all fun and games.
Because we are going to be the next co-host on your show, Miss Williams. We know that Miss Lunell's next in line. But Miss Wendy, we only want to see good things happen to you, and we cannot wait to see you back on your show.
That's right, and hopefully you have a speedy recovery. But right now, like IK said, since we just landed back in Dallas, our limo is going to be pulling up any moment now. And we had a very successful trip in California. You can see it on our Instagram. Once again, we'll put it down here, roseandgold.us.
We met with our voice coaches, our acting coaches. We did lots of really productive things, met up with our agents, and we have many different projects coming up for you guys to see soon. But we'll see you guys in the next episode of Rose and Gold. Kylie Jenner, that's for you. And Travis Scott, get better. We're out.